Hi, I'm CELSO Oliveira, Associate Professor at the Department of Animal Science at Federal University of Paraíba, Brazil. By means of this important project, CAPES PrInt, which is a mobility project by nature, I was able to visit Ohio State University in October 2019. This visit served different purposes. One of them was to make sure that our colleagues at Ohio State University, they understand how PrInt actually works in terms of funding, opportunities for students and faculty, and most important, to make sure they understand the goals of the project and how important they are for our institution. With the help of our colleagues from the Global One Health Initiative, we visited different colleges and departments, interacted with different researchers from different fields. I was quite excited to see how well our project was received by the scientific community in Ohio State University, how excited they were about the thematic areas that we selected for our projects. So I see lots of opportunities ahead, and on top of what have been done with Ohio State at this time. Another important goal of our visit was to align researchers in the area of microbial metagenomics, which is an important component of the project that I lead in PrInt. And we've been quite successful in this project. By the way, one of our students, a PhD candidate, Kilmer Soares, is currently at Ohio State University under supervision of Professor Vanessa Hale. I strongly believe that this type of collaboration is crucial for the university to open capacity building opportunities for our students, to foster innovation initiatives, to consolidate our graduate colleges, and ultimately to improve the impact of the scientific work that we do. I look forward to working with Ohio State and other institutions in the scope of CAPES PrInt, and it's been very fruitful and will be very fruitful for the university.